I just swear that I'll always be there. I'd give anything and everything, for better, for worse,